Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Jamison and this is how I cook. Up next, I'm gonna show you how to make the ultimate margarita just in time for Cinco de Mayo on this edition of Mixology Mondays. Mixology Mondays is where I show you how I make cocktails at home in my home bar. I can't wait to show you guys this margarita just in time for Cinco de Mayo. Hey guys, before we get into building our cocktail, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. It really does help my growing channel. The star of our cocktail is a good tequila. This is my favorite tequila to drink at home in margaritas or to sip. This is Maestro Dobel Diamante Reposado tequila. And Reposado tequila is a tequila that has a little bit of age on it, but it's not as old as an añejo, which is over a year old in terms of the aging process. So the key to a great margarita at home is a great tequila. So the first thing we're gonna add to a shaker full of ice is I'm gonna do a 3-ounce pour of my Reposado tequila. So 3 ounces is 2 of the 1/2 ounce jiggers full. The next thing we're gonna add is we're gonna add some Cointreau. And this helps bring in some citrus notes. So in this case, I'm only gonna do about 0.75 ounces. Next thing we're gonna add is some fresh agave syrup. And so this is amber agave, and I like to use a higher end agave nectar. So this is Green Wise from Publix. And I'm gonna only put in here probably about 1 ounce of agave nectar. Next, into our shaker, we want to add the juice of 1.5 limes. So it's about a half lime for every ounce of tequila. Next, we want to add in the juice of half of an orange. This is a navel orange. And the key to making an amazing margarita is using fresh citrus. The oils that get expressed when you squeeze the citrus into the cocktail from the rind, it is an amazing set of flavors that you can't get from just using straight juice by themselves. Finally, we want to close up our cocktail shaker and give this a good shake. And when I say a good shake, I mean a good shake. The part of the problem that you run into with a lot of cocktails that you get at your local bar is that they haven't been shaken well enough to create the proper amount of dilution between the drink, the ice, and the ingredients. Now into our margarita glass that has some ice in it, we're gonna garnish this with a slice of lime. And we're gonna pour in our drink. And this is the ultimate margarita, just in time for Cinco de Mayo. Okay guys, it's time for the worst part of the video for me. It's time for the taste test. Man. So this is why I love the margarita, and it's my favorite drink. Simple ingredients, but they all work together for the common goal of delivering an amazing drink. You got the citrus notes coming from the fresh squeeze of the lime. You got a sweeter citrus note coming in from the orange juice. You've also got this wonderful sweetness from the agave nectar. And then you've got, as the foundation for the drink, this beautiful, smoky, buttery, vanilla note heavy, but just a perfectly balanced tequila to make this the ultimate margarita. It's not Cinco de Mayo for me yet, but it might as well be because I'm about to finish this thing up. You guys do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. And thank you guys for having a drink with me. I'm Jamison, and this is how I cook. And this has been Mixology Mondays. And I gotta go finish this margarita. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but oh well. Every time.